Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn a bead flower. So it has two parts. We will start with the slip knot and chain 2. If you want to make it in the same color it will be okay, but I want to make it in 2 shades. So I will make a slip knot, chain 2, work 6 single crochets into this second chain from the hook. In the first part of my flower I will make a round ball shape. Okay, slip knot, chain 6, slip knot, chain 2. In the second stitch from the hook I will work 6 single crochets, make a slip knot. For the second round, chain 1. Into the very first stitch I will work 2 single crochets. In the next stitch again 2 single crochets. So I will work 2 single crochets till the end. At the end of this round I have 12 single crochets. Round 2 is completed. For round 3, chain 1 single crochet in first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next one, 2 single crochets in third stitch. Then in the next 2 stitches work 1 single crochet each stitch into the next 2 single crochets in a stitch. So this is how we will increase this round. Round 4 and 5th will be 1 single crochet in each stitch. So at the end of round 4 and 6 this is how it will be look. Round 6, chain 1, work a decreasing stitch at the first and second stitch, a decreasing single crochet, one single crochet in the next one, one single crochet in the next stitch, decreasing stitch in the next 2 stitches, then 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. So this is how we will decrease 1 stitch after every 2 stitches. In each of the next third stitch we will decrease a single crochet. So this is how this round will end. Round is completed. This is how it will look, and now we will start more decreasing. Chain 1, make a decreasing stitch at the start. In the next stitch also work a decreasing stitch. So we will work decreasing stitches in every stitch. Round ends. Now we will fill this ball with ball fiber tightly. Try to make it a little stiff and hard. So this is how it will look after filling. Now I will close it with more toggle stitches by chain 1 and work some decreasing stitches to make this hole disappear. Make a slip stitch at the end, cut the yarn, weave the ends, and then I will attach the next color. I will attach pink color because I like grey and pink combination. I hope you will like also. So now I will cut the yarn and weave the ends and now attach the pink color. My ball is completed. Now I will attach this at the ending point. With the help of a slip knot, we will grab this yarn and make a chain 1 to attach this. Work a single crochet into the same place. Chain 4. Now in the second round, in the post of this single crochet, I will make a single crochet, again work chain 4, skip the next two, into the third one, again in the post of the single crochet I will make a single crochet. So this is how I will make the chains for 6 petals, 6 spaces of these chain 4. Here we will work the petals, make a slip stitch at the end. Now base for the petals is completed. Now we will start working on my petals. Chain 1, go into this chain 4 space, chain 1, work 6 double crochets into this chain 4 space. Then chain 1 and make a single crochet. So this is my first petal. This is how the same way I will work all the 5 petals. All of my petals are completed. This is how it will look at the end. I hope you can understand the tutorial. You can see this is how it will look at the end. I like it in this combination as well, but if you want you can make it in the same color. So you can use it as a brooch also by just attaching a pin at the back. You can make it as a button decoration also. I hope you have liked the tutorial. For any query, please ask me in comment section. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.